Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by enabling developer options and preparing backups. This prevents data loss if something goes wrong. Once done, turn off auto-install unknown apps and disable background app install permissions to stop ad modules from reappearing. Make sure you're on Wi-Fi and battery is above 30% so updates won't interrupt the process. You'll need quick access to settings, security, and apps. Open them now and follow the next steps to locate ad sources and unwanted system apps. You'll systematically identify system apps serving ads, starting with apps like carrier services, theme store, or system update helpers. Once located, force stop and then disable them, clearing cache and data. This removes stored ad manifests. Next, revoke permissions such as notifications and draw over other apps, and restrict background data to prevent relaunch. If disable is unavailable, use developer options to uninstall updates or use ADB commands. This removes persistent install. You finish by cleaning residual mechanisms. Use ADB to uninstall or block stubborn packages, and reset the advertising ID while opting out of personalization to reduce targeted ads. Once done, clear system caches and reboot. Verify by testing the places where ads appeared. If ads still show, do a factory reset only after a complete backup, because that removes deep system changes and return settings to stock. Troubleshooting tip: if an app returns after reboot, disable its installer or use ADB to prevent reinstallation, then reboot again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.